Hey guys, this is an unexpected video. We just returned from Florida and Georgia, and we're working on those videos right now. Hopefully you saw the last one a couple days ago. I got my new Buc-ee's hat on, as you can see. But we wanted to tell you about the gas situation here in the Myrtle Beach area. So we're down in Murrells Inlet, and even though they say the gas is flowing, this morning we drove past 7 gas stations and only 2 of the 7 had gas, right?
Yeah, 2.
2,
right.
yeah. So we're going to take a quick ride down to the beach and show you the progress of the pier, the Surfside Beach Pier, and then we'll drive by the Walmart because they always have gas, and we'll see if they have gas. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
So on the way to the beach, we're going to see if we can get gas at our neighborhood Walmart. Good day to put the roof down, would you say, Sue?
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful day here today. So complicating the issue down here in Murrells Inlet is that this was Bikers Week. It's just wrapping up this weekend. And so now all the bikers are trying to get gas to get back home. And a lot of bikers came down this year because it was canceled last year. The thing about being a local resident, once they leave, it's going to get a lot quieter. So now the official tally is that 50% of the gas stations in Myrtle Beach don't have gas. But again, around this area, it seemed a lot higher were out of gas. So let's see what happens here at the Walmart. We drove to our neighborhood Walmart and also to 2 other places where we like to get gas. The results were all the same: no gas. We then headed over to Kroger's. You guessed it, no gas. We then passed by the Circle K on the way to the beach, and the result was the same: no gas. We next continued over to the beach to check out the progress of the Surfside Beach Pier construction project. You can see the pier construction off in the distance. It looks like the steel beams are all in place. And compared to last time, there were many more cement columns. Some people just don't listen. Now what we can't figure out is what is the purpose of the steel beams. This is going to be an all-cement pier. Are the beams there to keep the water away? If you know, leave a comment below. Until next time, safe travels.